And the laughs don't end there. We have another funny guy checking in with us, and he's bringing an extra element of magic. Joining us now, winner of LA Magazine's Best Family Entertainer, Wacko the Magician. Thank you so much for joining us. Now,
Well, thanks for having me.
you actually performed yesterday at the Laugh Factory virtual show without an audience. What was that like?
That was so strange. Doing comedy, you usually have to talk and communicate to the audience. So not having that element and just having this empty space with a camera directly in front of you, trying to do magic, trying to interact, trying to create comedy is very difficult, but very rewarding at the end. It was fun. I love doing it.
That's awesome. You know, I can imagine that especially the magic part of it is really affected with this whole virtual world, but can we still see a trick?
I'll do some magic for you guys. Here's a little sponge ball right over here. You get it, place it over here. That vanishes and jumps right back there. I'll place this one over here. Look, you go like that, just like this, and it's gone one more time. It's magic. It's magic.
That is incredible.
Here, I'll show you another quick one real quick. Here's one. You show the hand like this, show the hand front and back empty. You show the other hand front and back empty. You place it inside, you wave it or a hand around, and it comes out of different colors. Isn't that cool? In more blue, out more pink. In more blue, out more pink. Oh boy, that's a fast one. See how it works. Look, inside of there's another silk. Oh, don't tell anyone. That's a secret. It's a secret. So you just have to hide that silk inside of there and wave this one around. If you touch that like that and you push it all the way in, you wave it around, it looks like it's gone, right? But don't forget, it's still inside of there. It's still... Yeah, I know it's confusing. It's confusing. But if you do that just well, you know what? If you use a magic wand, it's a little better. I have a magic wand right over here. Oh, wait a second. That's strange. Wait.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no. Oh, no. The trick went wrong. Now it's one piece. It's strange.
That is just so awesome. There's nothing that makes me laugh more than that. I absolutely love that. Thank you so much. We need that right now. We need some laughs. We need some levity. I heard that you're offering some really cool shows on Zoom. What is that about?
I'm actually a family entertainer. I perform at downtown Disney and Sky Park and stuff. But since all that's closed out right now, I had to find a new venue, which is Zoom. So I'm doing online birthday parties.
That's awesome.
That's a new feature that I'm doing. I just literally did one 30 minutes ago. So I love it. It's fun. People need it. It's very strange performing like that, but I can see their little faces when they go like this and they're laughing, and it's really fun. You know, so if anyone would like to know, please let me know. And I can do some magic for you guys right in your home.
I absolutely love that. Yeah, if you're spending your birthday in this quarantine shutdown, lockdown, this is a great way to celebrate it. How can people find you? How can they sign up for that?
Very, very easy. Go to wackowacko.com, W-A-C-K-O, or The Wacko Show. You can find me, The Wacko Show, on Instagram. It's very easy to find me.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and please stay safe and keep the laughs coming along.
Thank you so much for having me. I had a lot of fun with you. Stay safe. Bye, everyone.
Ditto. Bye.